One of the first suggestions we received for new.space was to allow more ways for users to see their content. One specific user was collecting images and links for a project and wanted to see an overview of all the previews generated on the cards, but not necessarily all the extra information that's there with the title and buttons and such. We actually thought this sounded like an excellent idea and aligned with our principle of showing content in its best form, and so we built it. Today, I want to show you the Moodboard feature, how we've been using it, and share with you some ways we think it's really great. Let's get into it. I'm going to start here by opening a new space by going to new.space. I'll give it a name. My wife and I recently bought a small little garden house. While it's pretty cute, it definitely needs a little bit of work, and we've been collecting ideas for renovations and improvements. Over here off to the side, I have some links, images, screenshots, all kinds of stuff. And normally I just keep those open or send them in a chat between us, but those are inevitably going to get lost. And it's kind of a terrible way of getting an overview of what I've shared. Let's add these to the space. This looks pretty good and is a nice overview of all the things. Let's turn on Moodboard layout. You can turn it on by going to the options menu here and toggling Moodboard. This option will hide the title information and buttons from the card so that you can focus on the visual portion of the item. For this type of project, this is a much better way of looking at the content. But what if you want to open it or download it? You can still do that by hovering your mouse cursor over or tabbing to it with the keyboard, and it will reveal the info. If you want to go back to standard mode, you can toggle it again from the menu. For now though, I'm just going to share this out and see if we can figure out where we want to start. We're super excited to see all the ways y'all have been using new.space. If you found a use case that's really great and you want to share it with us, let us know in the comments. If you haven't used new.space yet and you'd like to, write us at community@shareup.app and we'll set you up with an access code. Until next time, happy sharing.